Hit the gym, the top tips to find workout motivation. Have you been lacking motivation to go the gym lately? If so, check out this guide to learn the top tips to find workout motivation. Routinely going to the gym is a way of life. There are a number of physical and mental health benefits. For this reason, millions of Americans go to the gym on a routine basis. Over 60 million people go to the gym in the United States. There are roughly 36,000 gyms in the US to choose from. Even more individuals would actively join a gym if they realize the more benefits. Explore the top tips for finding workout motivation and start getting in great shape today. Feel great. Perhaps the greatest benefit of working out is how you feel afterward. Physical activity releases endorphins that give your mind and body a natural high. After a rigorous workout, you are certain to have more energy. Better yet, after months of progress, you'll acquire new confidence and improve mental health. Reduce the risk of heart disease. Heart disease is one of the most prolific killers in the world. Did you know that regular exercise reduces your risk of heart disease? Exercise increases your blood circulation. This helps your body fight off blood clots and blockages in the arteries. Regular exercise also helps reduce blood pressure. Going to the gym reduces your likelihood of developing diabetes. This disease is a major risk factor for heart disease. Lastly, exercise is known to increase good cholesterol known as HDL levels. Improving your wellness is a serious motivator for many people, especially after a health scare. Lose weight. An obvious byproduct of regular exercise is losing weight. By engaging in high-intensity workouts, you are increasing your metabolism. This means you are naturally burning more calories and fat. In addition, gym members are more likely to stick to a healthy diet. In conjunction with a lean diet, regular exercise leads to significant weight loss. What bigger motivation is there than looking in the mirror and being satisfied? Gym social. Besides the physical and mental benefits, there are also social motivations to join the gym. The gym is like a big social network. You are going to meet friends and workout partners at the gym. Some people even find romantic relationships and form a common bond over working out. There are also professional trainers like the ones offered by Fit Horse. Improve your sports game. Even professional athlete is a regular at the gym. Hitting the gym is certain to improve your athletic performance and stamina. For example, baseball players spend a lot of time doing leg and core exercises. These exercises help players hit the ball farther and with more authority. A recap of workout motivation tips. There are obviously so many benefits to working out. At the gym, you will meet new friends and begin a healthy lifestyle. In addition, you will also reduce the likelihood of heart disease and other health ailments.